Okay guys, so I'm at the airport now, walking to my gate. And now I'm at my boarding gate. So now I'm finally on board.
Of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the...
All cell phones must be either turned off or in airplane mode starting now. Thank you.
Now we are about to take off, guys.
We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat.
So guys, the flight duration is 2 hours and some minutes, and now we are about to land. So guys, now I'm waiting on my connecting flight to take me to my final destination. Guys, I am so hungry, and I'm trying these Bojangles. I'm trying some food from Bojangles: fried chicken, biscuit, rice, mac and cheese, fries, juice. Guys, I was so hungry, so I decided to try everything they had, or almost everything they had ready. And so far it's really not bad. The chicken is done to perfection. It is fried properly. The mac and cheese, I would rate it like 70. And the rice, guys, no, I had to put some spicy pepper on the rice. The rice, I would give it like a 50. Wasn't that good, but I was too hungry, so I almost ate everything. So I'm done eating, and now I'm walking to my gate to catch my connecting flight. Okay guys, so I'm waiting on my connecting flight. I did not get to vlog much for my first flight as I was running late, so I had to rush and hurry, run out to the airport. And when I reached the airport, I couldn't get any parkings. Couldn't get any parking space, so it was messy. My flight boarded at 1:15, and I reached the airport at the gate. I reached the gate at 1 o'clock, so I was really running out of time, but I decided to continue vlogging. I'm still gonna vlog whatever I can vlog, so continue watching guys to see the end of my travel vlog. So guys, while I was packing for my flight, one of my nails break off and I didn't get the chance to get my nails done before my flight because this flight was really a last minute flight, so it was just like a pack and go thing. So when I reached the airport, another one break off. So guys, I'm gonna bite them all off.
Tray table and put away carry-on items. Place your seat in the full upright position. We will now collect any items you wish to discard. Please recheck that your seatbelt is fastened and familiarize yourself again with the location of your closest exit. Please turn off and put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices must remain in airplane mode until after we land.
In the room? Yeah. What's in work today?
Ladies and gentlemen, local time is 6:30. You may now use your cell phones. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and keep the aisle clear of personal items. Once we have been properly parked at our gate, Captain Amir will turn off the seatbelt sign, and when he does, you may unfasten your seatbelts and collect your belongings. Use caution opening overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during flight.
Just touchdown to Nathaniel destination.
Someone in the airport can tell you, or one of the monitors will tell you which baggage claim carousel. But on behalf of American Airlines, our One World partners, and especially your Dallas-based crew, I would like to thank everyone for flying with us this evening. We do appreciate it very much. Welcome home if you're home. If you're just visiting, have a great stay, but please drive carefully as you leave the airport.
Okay guys, so I'm at my final destination. I'm at the carousel waiting for my bag. So my carousel number 3, and I'm waiting on my bags. Okie dokie, so now I am going to Hertz Car Rental to get my ride.
Take the next right onto County Line Road. You have arrived.
Hey guys, so I'm here at my hotel. Just finished packing to leave out tomorrow. My flight is at 5:22 a.m. so I have to be up early. So I will see you guys on my way to the airport. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm about to catch my returning flight home. It is now 3:35 a.m. My flight is at 5:22, so I'll see you guys at the airport. Okay guys, so we are returning the car. Okay guys, so I'm about to catch my returning flight. It's now 4:05 a.m. and my flight is at 5:22, so I am early. So guys, I'm now at the boarding gate and I'm flying with Delta Airlines for the very first time. After working with them for like 3 years, this is my first time flying with them, so I hope this experience is going to be a good one for me. My first flight was with American Airlines and it was a smooth one. So guys, it was actually a good flight. It was smooth, no turbulence or anything like that. So I had a good experience flying with Delta Airlines. Hi guys, so I am back home. Tired, super tired, but I enjoyed vlogging. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog just as much as I enjoy vlogging it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye.